We're really not expecting any change in terms of policy. So what should we be watching out for today then?
Yeah, so no policy change expected, but do keep an eye out for messaging from Governor Ueda on when he might think it's appropriate to move from negative interest rates to positive interest rates. Remember, he gave that newspaper interview recently that really excited markets, where he seemed to suggest perhaps that there's a possibility they could pull out of negative territory in the near term if wages, for example, and inflation are heading in the right direction. Now, Bank of Japan officials have talked that back since then, but his language on the negative rate will be critical. Japan is the last advanced economy central bank to have negative rates. And on the other side, keep an eye for his messaging on the yuan. Like you mentioned there, it's at a 10-month low against the dollar. The finance ministry officials have been warning that they can intervene in the market if needs be. Around a year ago, they stepped in to buy the currency for the first time in 24 years. So keep an eye on whether or not he tries to talk up the currency. But it's a pretty tricky message for Governor Ueda, because no matter what he wants coming out of this, he will not want to trigger more market volatility that works against his policy aims there at the moment. So I think it's all down to the press conference and how he navigates both the yen and his message on negative rates.